see, there's a demand of the state BJP for Barambul to step down. And even one of the minister, Mike, also supported the statement of the state BJP. What do you have to say? For Barambul to step down.
No, what are you talking about?
BJP state president, as far as stated that Barambul should take responsibility and step down for the post of Home Minister.
No, I really don't know why Home Minister should step down. For what? Is it
on this illegal coal?
For this
Illegal coal.
illegal coal?
Being able to deal with this illegal coal mining.
I can come back let me come back to the statement I already made. As I said to you, is it Rumbui responsible for any illegal activities? Are you trying to say that only HM is responsible for any illegal activities? Not only coal. That's what I'm saying. See, why should you talk only coal? You talk for other things. But I never seen anyone will come out in this statement. If you have theft cases, I never seen any people who will react it. Why not any political party come with a statement? One night it happened like that. One night it happened like that. But everybody they talk only for coal, illegal coal mining. But I'm talking about the principle of the government. The principle of the government is we are against illegal activities at any point of time.
So, but do you think that, since, like you question why Rumbui should step down, since he's the person in charge for home portfolio, so hence he should be responsible for, carrying out his job and being responsible. Now, to cite an example, in the past, Dr. Mukul Sangma also stepped down and took responsibility when he was the deputy CM when there was a firing incident that happened. So he took responsibility. Hence, the demand for HM to step down.
Don't compare between the case at William Nagar and Tura. Please don't compare, because that one who shoot was not the police, and this time who shoot? Who killed these people? Is it police? Are you trying to say that Rumbui did it? See, therefore, please don't compare between these two incidents that has happened. Please don't compare. Because as I say, these are the illegal activities done by some vested interest people. You get it? So therefore, we are now on the job and let the law take its own course. Because we are against the illegal activities. Once again, I repeat, as I've already said, we are against illegal activities at any point of time.
There are allegations of indirect or direct support from the ruling party to carry out mining.
That how can you prove it? But I'm telling you, not only myself personally, but I'm talking on behalf of the MDA government. We are against it. We are really against it. And now, with this incident, I'm sure the law will prevail, the law will take its own course.
So what do you think is the reason that, your alliance partner itself is attacking, the government, the MDA government itself? BJP is attacking its coalition partner. What is the reason behind this?
I cannot reply on their behalf. You please ask from them. What is the reason behind them? You ask from them. Why should you ask from me?
But can we say that there's a rift in the MDA government?
That also I don't know. You see, that also I don't know, because from BJP also, 2 MLAs were there, and then one of them, they are also in the government. But we never discuss or we never say anything when we were together in the cabinet or be it in the coalition committee. Nothing of that sort. We don't have any rift. But of course, when I saw in the newspaper, the statement is sometimes different. So I am not a person who knows how to reply on their behalf. I think you need to ask from them. Why? What is the reason?